Just remember I'm using your knee as a support. Ooh, nice nipples. You could have warned somebody, nigga. Is it also bad we're right here at the gas tank?
I just set my hair on fire. I had that shit. Yo, is that really the gas tank?
Yes.
We good. As long as there's no vapor under here.
I can't promise anything.
As long as there's no fumes. Swap in. I ain't doing fucking shit.
Hey, maybe that fucking 15 will work now. Here, try it.
Yeah, if it ain't on fire.
No, I'm not talking about that. Damn it.
What?
Oh shit, that thing's still a little hot.
Yeah, this shit gonna be hot too.
Alright, try that.
This shit ain't gonna work.
No, just try that. Just try to...
Weld it together?
No, like, pull it off.
It ain't gonna go on. We just fucked this shit up.
There's also option C.
What?
Cut the fuck out of it.
Cut the drive shaft?
No, the bolt itself.
Yeah, but then how we gonna unscrew it?
No, like, cut the head off the bolt.
Yeah, then how we gonna unscrew it?
You can slide it up.
Is there any way to undo these?
Undo what?
These little things right here?
Nope, not without taking it out.
I don't know why I can't weld this shit. Weld this shit. Still recording?
No.
Did you get the welding a little bit?
Yeah.
Let me see.
We're still recording.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, this will work.